Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Catherine Solisore, and I just want to talk about how to take massive action and just overcome obstacles, because there's a lot of little obstacles that you'll come over when you're trying to build your online business and your internet marketing business. There's going to be things like, for example, I'm in Empower Network, and right now we're not able to post Empower Network links onto Facebook. Big deal. Just create a convertible link and share it onto Facebook. Don't let little things kind of get in your way. Like I had my video software stop working on me and my headphones stopped working on me, but I was still able to overcome those little obstacles and get my things done. I was still able to upload my video, write my blog post today, and make a sale. So you want to make sure that you're just being able to overcome those obstacles. Keep in mind your why. Keep in mind the reason why you're doing your business, why you're doing your internet marketing, why you're trying to build a real business online, so that you can get away from that 9 to 5, or you can just be able to graduate not having to worry about getting a job, which is, you know, what I'm doing. As most of you already know, I don't have to worry about a job after college. So that's just probably that's one of my things that keeps me going, right? So just think about what's your reason as to why you're going where you go. Like, you know, before I wasn't even able to pay my tuition. I didn't even have my textbooks because I wasn't able to pay for it. But through my internet marketing, I've been able to get myself out of that, you know, that financial situation that wasn't too good. And now I'm pulling in residual income, and that's something you can do too. But you have to be able to overcome the obstacles, because when you finally get to that time, when you can look back and say, wow, look how far I've come. I think about it all the time. I say, wow, before I wasn't even able to buy a textbook, before I wasn't even able to pay my tuition, before I wasn't able to even dorm, I wasn't able to get in my room because I didn't pay my full tuition. If you think about the things that you need and why you need to go hard and why you need to overcome the obstacles, you'll be just fine. You'll be building a full-time income online very soon, and I'm telling you from personal experience. I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you click the link below. There's a link right below this video. If you're serious about changing your life and really being able to take full advantage and overcome any obstacles, click that link below, get more information, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Bye.